Welcome to a demonstration of the installation of your WhiffAway Hygiene Valve cartridge in your waterless urinal. First of all, we have the adapter. Now remove your old cartridge, whether it's a WhiffAway one or a Falcon or a Sloan. These are all Sloan urinals here, which is the WhiffAway valve is compatible with. Take the key, remove the old valve, key in, just a slight turn clockwise and lift. Drain away the urine, it's pretty nasty in there. Put it in there. Wrap that up. Get some water. Wash away all the nasty stuff that's collected in the drain. Now I use this Kaboom bathroom foamer, which you can get from Home Depot. Spray the housing, urinal brush. Just clean away any build-up of debris in there. And get some more water. Wash that away down the drain. You can see that just flowing nicely. And get your WhiffAway bathroom cleaner. Nothing else, just spray the urinal, a little bit down there as well. Get your adapter. Feel where the notches are and make sure it sits down snug. Make sure it's flush with the top of the housing there. Then get some water, prime the adapter, make sure all the air comes out. Then you get the most important thing, the WhiffAway Hygiene Valve. Now one good tip with this is to run it under the faucet before you install it, just to make sure everything's flowing. That's good. Insert the key. Make sure it's square into the adapter. It'll push down and a little quarter turn to the right. It's locked into place. Then get your bio shell with the scented ring. Center hole, top of the valve. Push it down and you're good to go. Spray the urinal and wipe down. All good.